Hello all, I'm Julia from JetOctopus and I'm really excited to see you today here. So the summer has finished and everybody is coming back from their vacations and starting to work actively, and we are really happy to announce a new product update today, and it is again about our favorite SEO efficiency chart, and I'm gonna show you really magic now. So just a couple of words about SEO efficiency, which is located in SEO ideas section, and it is available when you have your full crawl data at hand, your logs data integrated, and Google Search Console integrated. So initially it shows you the site structure, the number of pages inside structure, then the pages which are visited by search bots, and the overlapping of these two circles reflects the site visibility for search bots, and the green circle is the Google Search Console data, so the pages which are getting impressions, and all three circles overlapping shows you the most effective SEO part of the website, which is inside structure, is visited by search bots, and is getting impressions. So in this particular case it is 7%. And right now you are able to watch this data in dynamics, because these charts have a lot of insights, and there will be the link to the video dedicated especially to this particular charts and the insights, how to get them and how to work with them. And after you implemented the insights you've got from here, of course you want to see what is the efficiency of all that. Is there any impact of it? So right now you have opportunity to pick up the period, the previous period you are interested to pick up, and then push the compare and pick up the period you want to compare to. In this case I would compare last 30 days with previous 30 days, and here the bot selection for you. Then you can also pick up the crawl out of the list of your crawls where you want to see this SEO efficiency dynamics. So we just push apply, and we got this picture for the previous 30 days and the fresh picture for the last 30 days. And then we have all the detailization of these dynamics. So in this particular case we see that the pages which are visited by search bots, so they're present in logs, decreased for 23%, which can seem like really bad situation, but not in this particular case. We see that the pages which are getting impressions also decreased for 9%. Then the pages which are inside structure and are visited by search bots increased for 6%. And this is our main target here, to increase site visibility for the search bots. Then we see actually the negative dynamics, the pages which are inside structure and getting impressions, it is -6%, and the pages which are visited by search bots and are getting impressions, also the negative. But this can be not a bad news, because maybe those pages are orphaned, they are legacy pages, and they are not commercial anymore, and you just close them from indexation and they've lost their rankings, and actually it is a crawl budget optimization for you. And then you have all these dynamics for all the main criteria. Then you also see the Google crawl budget dynamics for the last 6 months in terms of visits and in terms of pages. And we see that Google bot visits dropped for 19% and the pages dropped for 3%. Also, you have the dynamics for Google Search Console performance for the last 6 months in terms of impressions, in terms of clicks. Again, you see impressions grows for 28% and clicks grows for 19%. So just one dashboard, just one click, and you have so many insights here and so many SEO opportunities to keep working on. So guys, you are now able to analyze so important data inside the platform. Just crawl your data, then integrate logs and integrate Google Search Console, and work with your site visibility for search bots, work with your coverage in SERP. So work on those 3 angles of SEO analysis, analyzing the visibility for the search bots, and then the number of new rankings in SERP, which are getting impressions and clicks at the end of the day. I'm really happy to see you today. Please welcome to our free trial. No options are limited. You will have 7 days to get all the value from the platform for your website. Thanks for attention. Have a great day.